everybody, Joe coming to you from Goblin Valley State Park. This is in, I guess the closest place is Green River, Utah. But what an amazing place. It's like being on another planet. There's all these goblins here. If you've ever watched the movie Galaxy Quest, they filmed a big segment of the movie here. It really is an alien sculpture garden, and it's a great place to walk around, commune with the goblins, to get some great photographs, find some faces, find some other figures. So let's take a walk around. We're going to scroll around and walk through the goblins and commune with them. Let's do it. So we've completed our tour around Goblin Valley. We've been gifted with a spectacular day. Got solid blue skies here. The clouds are still over there. We're expecting a great sunset back in Moab, but it's time for lunch. But we were, again, as I mentioned, gifted with an amazing day here at Goblin Valley. You ever find yourself in Moab visiting Arches and Canyonlands? Take the ride. It's about an hour 45 from Moab to get here, but as you can see, it is unique. And our group was really lucky today. We were the only ones in the park. It was just our group. We had the entire place to ourselves. That's the greatest thing about coming here in January. And you can see I'm just wearing a sweatshirt now. It's like 42 degrees, so it's beautiful out. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you online again soon. Till next time, be well. Bye-bye.